Now, the days of regular SSDs are, I wouldn't say coming to an end, but they are definitely on their way out. Most people are using NVMe drives, M.2s, simply because they're just faster, and it's just the way to go now. The price for them has come down significantly. You can get like a terabyte M.2 drive for like under $100 now, which is really great. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to install your M.2s in your motherboard. Some motherboards have one M.2 slot, others have up to 2, 3, even 4. They're very simple to install. You honestly just removing some heat sinks, popping the drive in, screwing it in, and voila, everything should be working. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video because, like I said, I want to have all this stuff in one place. So if you guys are building or upgrading a PC, you have it all right here on the channel and you don't need to go somewhere else. I have all the information for you. And if I don't and I'm missing something, feel free to drop me a comment or jump into the Discord, and you can always ask some questions there. I have a wonderful community of people who are always willing to help out anyone joining the community. But anyways, guys, without further ado, let's dive in. Next, we're going to install our hard drives, the M.2s. Take off that little heat sink right here. Open up our M.2. Like I said, this is going to be our main drive that we're going to install Windows on. Little guy out right here. Okay, so what we're going to do is this side right here with the notch is going to go into this right here. We're going to line up that notch. It's on that side, so we just go boom, you'll feel it slide in, and then they use these little clips now in case you don't want to use screws. You just pop that clip up like so, if you can see that. Pop it up, so now it's up. Place the drive down, flip it down. You don't need to, you no longer need to screw these. Okay, so that drive is installed. We can put the heatsink back on, but first let's remove this plate. Tape, sorry. Lined up perfectly. Throw it back in. Wait a minute. What's that? Okay, first M.2 installed right here. Let's lift up this plate and see what we got cooking under here. And we do. That aside. Now these are 970 Pros. We'll have that guy sit right there. We'll open up the other guy as well. Okay, so same story here. We're gonna lift up these clips. I'll actually zoom in a little bit so you guys can see better. Okay, so these are the clips I'm talking about. You could just lift them up, pop them up with your finger. Boop. Take the drives themselves. Okay, so you see the side with the notch on it right here? That is the side that you'll be putting into this. Slide it in. Boom. Made the connection. Put it down. Clip down. Done. Next one, same exact thing. The side with the notch right here. Go like that. Push it in. Clip is up. Boom. Clip is down. Okay, those two are also installed. So we have a total of 2 terabytes of M.2 storage in this machine. And now we're going to put this plate back on. Okay, perfect. M.2s are in. All right, guys, and there you have it. That is how you install your M.2 drives in your motherboard. Like I said, very easy. Not really anything you can mess up there. You just got to be a little bit delicate when you're working with your motherboard. So if you remember that, most of the time, you're going to be successful. But anyways, guys, if I was able to help you out, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss the next time I post a video. And if you want to hang out with me live or ask me some questions while I'm live, I do stream on Twitch Monday through Friday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. I'll drop a link to that in the description below this video. But anyways, guys, that's all from me. I want you to keep those hammers up, and I'll see you next time.